Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to preview any files or folders using only keyboard in Mac computers. So without further more delay, let's begin. So here I will show you 3 ways how you can preview any files or folders using only computer keyboard. Before this, firstly just select the respective files that you want to preview. So now on your computer keyboard just press the spacebar key. So you can see here the preview, and for the second method just press option and spacebar key, so you can see, and for the third method just press command and Y, so you can see here. So by using these 3 ways you can easily preview any files or folders using only keyboard in Mac computers very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.